Are you wondering how you can use your website to rapidly expand your leads? Since your website is your virtual storefront, you should be designing it to attract new prospective buyers, offering them a full perspective of your product line and finishing ability. Today, we'd like to share a couple of important design tips that will really pay off and fast. Ready to market like a pro? Dynamic and mobile. The best website features cutting-edge technology in order to present your best work to your buyers. So you're going to want to use a content management system. This essentially builds the content for you by pulling from a secure database of information that you want to present to your visitors. It'll also make it easier for your web pages to be an interactive and visual system. While you're working on that, be sure to take a mobile-first approach. Roughly 2/3 of your website traffic is likely coming from mobile devices already. Google recommends building a responsive website. Basically, this means that the format of your web page will shift to adapt to any screen assessing your content. Mobile-optimized websites have low bounce rates, since they can be assessed anywhere, anytime. Diverse portfolio of home models. Next up, your home model portfolio is absolutely essential. Make your home model page accessible by clearly identifying it as a tab in your main menu. Try to pick images that highlight your home models in the best possible light, including photo galleries, floor plans, and options. And any video media about each model will help give your visitors a better sense of what you build and will keep them on your website longer. An active and optimized blog. Blogging is a critical component for any home builder. Home buyers are at all different stages of their home buying journey, and they have lots of questions that need answers. Blogging gives you a chance to generate helpful and relevant content for potential buyers. Blogs can also give your website better digital authority, especially if you have useful content. If each of your posts are search engine optimized for certain keywords or phrases, individual posts can boost your chances of appearing higher in search listings and help you get more traffic to your website. Testimonials and reviews. Studies show that over 85% of customers rely on online reviews when making purchasing decisions. This couldn't be any more important when it comes to people building a home. Try to incorporate an online review system with your website in order to give prospective buyers a clear idea of what it's like to buy a new home with you. There are many third-party review systems, such as Avid Ratings, that can help you survey and collect reviews from your buyers. If you collect testimonials from your customers, have an actual testimonials page on your website for people to look at. Incorporate a few statements per client and align these statements next to images of them and their home. One of the best times to do this is immediately after possession. That's when buyers are in the happiest state. Hire a professional. At the end of the day, you can ensure you've got all these design tips covered by hiring professional web design services. A web development team will help you choose the right platform that will bring clients to you. They know the ins and outs of local and global SEO, how to write engaging and authoritative content, and the best way to showcase your work. We also strongly recommend you stick with common, open-source website frameworks, such as WordPress. There are thousands of developers available, and you'll maintain full control and ownership of your website. Avoid any proprietary or private label platforms. If you ever have a problem, you won't be able to take your website with you when you leave. At Marketing Ninjas, we live and breathe new home marketing. We know how to get more qualified leads into your show home and help you close more sales. Come on over and visit us today at marketingninjas.com. We'll turn your website into a lead generation machine. And if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.